video, we will talk about prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way to write a number as a product of prime numbers. What does that mean? So this just means when you have to factorize a number to the point where the factors are only prime numbers. What does a prime number mean? A prime number means that the factors of that number, there are only two factors. So 1 and itself. So 2 is a prime number because it only has two factors. 1 itself, 2, and the other is 1. People get confused with prime numbers. They think only odd numbers are prime. That is not true because 2 is also a prime number. When you prime factorization of a number is breaking a number down, right, into the set of prime numbers, right, which multiply together at the end to result in the original number. Let's do some examples. So let's see, 48. Let's factorize this. First, you want to find any two factors. So I could do 4 and 12. Those are two factors, right? Because 4 times 12 is 48. Now I would factorize this even further. First, you want to say, okay, is 4 a prime number? It's not a prime number because 4 has 3 factors: 2, 1, and 4. So does 12. 12 has more than 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. So since it's not a prime number, I can break it further. 4, I can break it further to 2, and 12, I can break it further to 3, 4. Wait a minute, can I break 2 down any further? I can't, so this is a prime number. I can't break down 2 again. Can I break 3? Nope. But I can break 4. I can break that into 2 and a 2. So I would circle both. Now what do? Now you would put an equal sign right over here. And you write them all down, your numbers. So 2 times 2. And also when you're writing this, you want to start from the least factor. Here I'm not doing 3 times 2 because 2 is the least right here, right? 2 is a smaller number. It's easier because it'll help you at the end. So I would always recommend you always do this. So there are 4 2's, and then there's 1 3. Let's see if I did that right. Yep. Now I don't want to leave it like this because I know we've learned how to use exponents, right? So I'm just gonna circle these. This is the same thing as 2 to the 4th power times by 3. This is an easier and shorter way, and it's quicker. Okay, so you want if there are multiple of the same numbers, you want to write them as exponents, right? Because 2 to the 4th power is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's do one more example. Let's do 84. How about you pause this video and try to solve this by yourself? I'm assuming you've already done this, so let's check over. So let's see, I like to do a 2 and 42. Since this is a prime, it's an even number, you can always use a 2 there. Again, 2 is a prime number, meaning it cannot be broken any further. So circle that, let's see, 42. I'm going to use 2 again, and I'm going to use, let's see, 21. And circle 2, because it cannot be broken any further. And this I'll do 3 and 7. I cannot break either one of them any further, so I would circle both of them. Now this equals, again, I'm going to start from 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. I like to start from the least, right? I go up, right? I get higher. So I would do the same thing. I would not put 7 times 3 times 2 times 2. I would like to go from the smallest to the greatest. Now I'm going to circle 2 because we don't need 2 of the same numbers. Same thing, right? You write 2 to the 2nd power times 3 times 7. This will be your final answer. Let's do one more. Let's do 162. How about you pause this video and try to solve this by yourself. I'm assuming you've paused this video and have done the problem. Let's check over it. So I'm going to put 2 and 81, alright, because 2 times 81 equals 162. So, you know we're right. And I would circle 2, and I would go in here. Let's do 3 and 27. Again, 3 times 27 is 81, so you're right. And I would circle 3. 27, I could break it down even further. 3 and 9, circle 3. And 9 is 3 and 3. A lot of 3s. Now this one we would do equals. Let's see, what's the least? Okay, let's do 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, let's now circle 3 because we don't need 4 the same number. Again, then this would result in 3 to the 4th power times 2, and this is your final answer. I hope this video helped you know exactly what prime factorization is and reinforce your skills. If you liked this video and found something and learned something new, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye, see you next time.